Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetrading.system.com again, making lots of videos, huh? All right, so this is the weekly recap video, all the trades taken last week. So let's get started. I'm gonna show you one by one. This is when the gold was dropping, retracing, right? So this is gold from 200 brick size. This is the entry here, sell entry here, and SL moved to break even plus, and it dropped here from 2362 to 2343, right? And after that it started to go up, right? And I had even a long one, so you'll see at the end of the video. So this was on 13th May, the week started. Another one after this is the first one, it retraced and then again gave me this entry, so a small shot at the final destiny, the retracement, and then it made the turn from there. And so this is what it is. And the pound yen, yen again start to get weaker, right? So buy order is right there, SL move to break even plus, and all the trades that you're gonna see is with the setup, nothing random or out of norm. Just like support is, buy the setup. I have to have the setup with 4 conditions, and then I open the trade, and then my EA open the trade for me anyway. Here, another one is Euro yen. All yen pairs start to bounce and then go back up again, right? As I was expecting, because the intervention was like a forceful move, right? But the conditions remain. And the weakness came back again and took this yen index all the way to the upside again, and then it's getting weaker again. So this is what happened, 90 pips from this. And then this is 65 pip from USD yen. USD yen didn't go much earlier because of the USD weakness as well. USD started to get weaker, remember? I had several trades. Then you'll see some trades here. USD pairs where they went up, USD got weaker. So this is like yen is weak, USD weak, so pair no move that much, right? So, but still 65 pip. This is 60 pip pound yen. Again, this is after the dip, then again going to the upside, and then this catches the. See, this is how this my 7-minute EA that I have working. It takes as soon as the 7-minute the side changes, and then first entry right here. Even this was an entry and this was an entry, but this is the by the book beautiful entry taken by that EA. And for 60 pip pound yen, this is the second trade of the week. Euro yen, the second trade taken by the EA. And again, so this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry, and all of that. This is only for 50 pip though. See, Euro USD, this is what I was talking about. The USD weakness gave me this one, 120 pip from Euro USD, and then Pound USD buy order, beautiful entry here, 130 pip trade to the upside, and then Aussie USD. All these three because of the USD weakness. This is the buy order right there, right? So 80 pip from this Aussie USD. And after that, again, the game started this pound yen again to go into the upside on the 16th for 65. And this is now you see this is moving because yen got really weak, and then this is the entry, beautiful entry here. And look how many pip, 110 pip from the 7-minute chart. 7-minute chart is like a 5-minute chart, and my 20-minute chart is like 15-minute chart. So when you have a trade set up on a 15-minute, I get more pips, big trades, right? So that's how it is on the 16th. Euro yen again, all yen pairs start to go up again, right? So this one also for 60 pip. And this is pound yen again. See how many pound yen so far? 85 pip from here to here. But this is from the 20-minute. See, this move looks small, but pipage is more, right? Because it's 20-minute chart. And then on the 17th, gold. Now it's from gold. The gold after the retracement. I made the video a few hours ago, right? So just look at that. So after the retracement, it started to go up, and then here we go. Right, and this is pound yen again. This is the 4th trade this week, and 55 pips from this. It's constantly going to the upside. I mean, if you look at the pound yen 40-minute chart, you will be amazed at how much it went up. Look at this. This is a 40-minute chart, by the way, in a straight line. How many pips from here to here? It's 260 pips in a straight line. Right. So what else? What else? Where we are now? Okay, this one, and then ASEAN also gave me this long setup here, beautiful long setup. Aussie start to get strong now, right? So 50 pip from here, and these are the some trades, right? So now another thing that I want to mention in this video, and then I will be starting mentioning that because I'm getting more and more emails again about a fake channel that somebody is running on my name, right? Using my name. And this is, let me show it to you. Where the heck is it? Okay, here. You see, this channel, this Telegram channel, and this nonsense is not me. This somebody is using my YouTube channel name, which is my First Magic Wave, and even my picture, right? So you know that this is the picture is on my YouTube channel. So he's using whoever he is, I don't know. And there are a couple of more that I ran into, but I just get emailed that, oh, is this your channel? And I was like, what? That's how I I knew that this you look at this, I don't post anything like that. And he's asking money for investment, right? And people are, it looks like people are giving it to him. I don't know. Or maybe it's all of these are fake. I have no idea, right? So this is what it is, right? All this, you see messages and then nonsense here. That, see, this is not my chart. This is not my, I don't trade off of the cell phone. You all know that, right? So please don't give him any money. He's a fraudster and he's an imposter. He is using my name. He's, giving my name and my channel name a bad name, right? And he's cashing out my name basically. All right. So please do not give him any money. Look at that. This what is this nonsense? Is it a kid or something? Yeah, look. It made me laugh, man. Right? So that's what it is. So please be aware of this fraud and do not give him anything. I do not have a public Telegram channel. I only have one Telegram channel, which is only for my paid subscribers, right? Whoever bought my system or one-on-one or lifetime or something like that, or bought my EA, they get to get in that channel. That's it. All right. No public channel on my name, either this one or something else out there. Please do not give them anything. They are all fraud. All right. So all I can do is that give you the warning, show you what the heck is happening here. Right. This is not me at all. Even though you would say that even it's my picture, but they're using it, and nobody can stop them. Right. I tried to complain to Telegram people, but no answer, nothing. Okay. So I have no idea how to stop them, but no, that's all I can do is that warn public that this is what it is and this is not me. Okay. So this is it for now. And let me see. Yeah. All right. So I'm gonna go back to work. I need to make new charts and all of that for my subscribers for the next week. And this is it. All right. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get my videos on time so you can take advantage, right? All right, so bye for now and talk to you guys later.